my best to keep this character intact. Then I asked my opponent to put icing on the cake.
How did it turn out? That's great. Can't wait to dance.